7 girls from Mugori Girls Secondary School were today released on a bond of 100,000 shillings with a surety of a similar amount or a cash bill of 50,000 shillings each. The girls denied the charges of intending to set fire Mugori Girls Secondary School buildings in Amuranga Court before Principal Magistrate Elizabeth Osoro. It is alleged that on the November 3rd, jointly with others not before court, they were armed with a plastic bottle containing diesel and matchbox sticks with an intention to burn the institution's buildings. The case will be mentioned on November 16th and the hearing date has been set for December 18th. Meanwhile, last month, the High Court issued a warrant of arrest against Agnes Nemakonde, who arrived in the country legally early this year, only to end up hiding at a toilet at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport for several weeks. As her nationality was being sought, the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees took her in on compassionate. But it has emerged that she has been uncooperative and the United Nations is no longer in a position to keep her in its custody, throwing her case back to the government. And when the case came up for hearing before Justice David Majanja, the Attorney General said Agnes can only stay in prison pending the determination of her case. She is also seeking compensation from the government for 6 months she was imprisoned for being in the country illegally. Justice Majanja will rule on the case next month. Elsewhere, Overseas Private Investment Corporation has filed a case seeking to have Section 78 Article 1 of the Land Act declared unconstitutional. They argue that they are unable to finalize the sale agreement due to the requirements of the section. In the suit, they have named the Attorney General and Joppa Villas as the respondents.